Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're planting a lovely spurge today. This is Euphorbia Diamond Frost. Now, Euphorbia Diamond Frost grows roughly about 40 centimeters and spread around the same across. Has months of these tiny white bract-like flowers. Really tough, hardy perennial. Dies down for winter and comes back up every year. Height roughly about 35-40 centimeters and will spread around the same. It's going to live here beside a nice penstemon called Laura. Lovely pink and white bell-like or tubular flowers. Flowers non-stop until October. And Osteospermum tresco purple. Really tough, hardy African daisy. Flowers from June until October every year. Winter hardy. Many varieties aren't winter hardy, but tresco purple is winter hardy. Anyway, we've dug out a decent sized planting hole for our lovely Euphorbia Diamond Frost. We're going to put a little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom to get it off to a good start. It will be slowly released for the plant, help reduce transplant shock, and it's important to use when you're planting all your plants. So mix in that at the bottom. A little bit of swell well compost, just mix the soil there as well, get it off to a good start. And we've a mixture of swell well compost and soil mix for back in around it again. So out it comes out of his pot. And using the roots a little bit, it's not badly packed, but a little teasing out, and it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us months of colour every year. Just, and white, you know, stands out very well in the garden. It'll look very well here with the African daisy, tresco purple, and the penstemon Laura. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.